nation grappling with Vietnam, the bloodshed in Selma. Some critics called the musical a sugar-coated lie, but the audience spoke for itself and made it the highest-grossing movie musical of all time.
Did you know people would need this film?
I think no one, none of us, could have predicted the success of that movie.
And what about those vibrant children in the movie? Where are they tonight? 50 years after the groundbreaking film, well, they're a little bit older, as you can see in the photos, then and now. And now practicing professions that range from software engineer to interior designer, leaving the singing to a new generation of former children coming forward to pay tribute. Carrie Underwood famously singing it live on TV in a lower key. And then at the Oscars, Lady Gaga practicing 6 months to sing the same high notes as Julie Andrews. When Andrews walked out, the surprised audience gave her a standing ovation. Gaga shaking so hard you could see Julie asking, "Are you okay?" The woman who made these songs famous can no longer sing those notes herself. In June 1997, she had a problem in her throat, strained from performing so long on Broadway. It was supposed to be a simple procedure to correct it. When it was over, her singing voice was gone.
You sang in the movie. You sang in The Princess Diary?
Very, very lightly, very briefly.
Dear little girl, you are terribly blessed, but it's your heart of gold I love the best.
I didn't have a voice really at that point, but it was nice, just for a second. I've got some bass notes still, because I had that miserable operation, which I really can't talk about.
It's part of a legal settlement years ago.
I still do have about 5 bass notes, so I could do a good blues song or a version of Old Man River if you really wanted it.
You had to wrestle with depression.
I did.
She had 4 additional surgeries, but her voice never returned. She began to write children's books with her daughter Emma, now all grown up, but she was struggling.
Yeah, I was carrying on and wallowing in my misery one day, and we had begun writing our stories together, Emma and I, and she said, "Mom, you've just found a different way of using your voice." And it was as if a great weight dropped from my shoulders.
So it's not bittersweet and you say, "Oh, I want to hit that note again."
Well, yes, that I do. Notes, yes. High notes, yes. The octave that I go at the end of the do, re, mi, and all of that. Would I like to do that? Yes. I probably wouldn't be singing these days anyway, because I'm very old. My voice is getting a little tired. But I'd like to be able to have a go at it. I really would.
Before we leave Salzburg, I head up a hill toward Real Abbey, where Maria von Trapp once gave herself to God. Today, fewer than 24 nuns still live inside. This is the current abbess who comes out to meet me and shows me the roof where the real Maria von Trapp would climb up and sing to her mountains. Though she tells me in German, it's quiet in this nunnery. They pray 7 times a day, speak little more than necessary. What did you think of the sound of music?
Oh, I like it. Yes, I like it.
But then the abbess tells me something else. I think I hear her use the phrase Milch sauer.
Das ist wirklich Milchsauer. Entschuldigung.
Did she say something curdled, the milk? I asked the translator.
Only thing Mother Abbess didn't like about the movie, how the Mother Abbess in the movie sang. When she heard her singing, she thought the milk gets sour.
She says she sings it better.
I think I sing it better.
But this nun decided her songs are only for God. So she tells me about the central truth at the heart of the film. Only you know what's in your heart.
You have to live the life you were born to live.
And it's never too late to walk out the gates and find your dream.
So what is forever?
What is forever is the joy of discovery, I think. The curiosity.
Hamilton. When we come back, you will not believe where we find people singing all over the world tonight. Join us as the sound of music soars around the planet.
I'm Jim Gardner. A Northeast Philadelphia mother and her 2 young children are rushed to the hospital when their new dog attacked. The Grand Morgan.
Not a bad attempt.
And you can be the opera, the renowned Renee Fleming in it. Tonight, all over the globe, people are singing the sound of music. On YouTube, see them in Italy, Estonia, Argentina. Even when I went to North Korea, the kids sang it. North Korea. They are singing it backstage at the opera, the renowned Renee Fleming in a tribute to Julie. And offstage on Broadway, Kristen Chenoweth. They are singing it in stadiums of 18,000 people out in Los Angeles, while all around the country, kids belted out in the school auditorium. So tonight, please send us your own tribute to the sound of music, and go on abcnews.com to learn Julie Andrews' true favorite things. And don't forget that DVD is available now. And you can be assured 50 years later, as the clock clangs down and the bird goes cuckoo, all of us here are singing right along with you.